This is day number 8 of the YouTube challenge, and today we're going to talk about the most powerful thing that you have to build your law firm, which is a mastermind. Now, back in October of 2013, I had no idea what a mastermind was. I was invited to attend my first mastermind at Infusionsoft in Chandler, Arizona. And I went there, and there were about 25 to 30 of some of the top internet marketers in the world. They came from all over: South Africa, Australia, the United Kingdom, you name it, some from the United States. Many of the people there were very young, in their mid-20s, 30s, 40s. And I was just sitting there listening with the executive board and the owners of Infusionsoft as we spent 2.5 days together talking about the most important things for our businesses and what we could do to improve them. We were focusing on things like creating the purpose, values, and missions of our businesses, things that just are vitally important. So we spent that day in thought, and what we came up with was just all these kind of incredible things, thoughts, suggestions to improve my law firm. And I came away from that, and I went home, and I said to my wife, this was the most unbelievable 2.5 days that I've ever spent. And she said, wait a minute, how much did it cost? And I said, honey, it doesn't matter. It was just incredible. Finally, I told her it was $10,000, and I said that was the best $10,000 that we've ever spent. So where does that take us? To the mastermind experience, which is what we created in 2014. The first one was in Chicago, and I invited people from all over the country to attend. And it's a one-day meeting where we provide customized solutions for law firms. So you go there with what's called a hot seat challenge, and during the hot seat presentation, you come up with the biggest challenge that is facing your law firm in marketing or management. And you're put under the microscope by the other attorneys there. They will critique what you're doing, they'll challenge you, and we'll sit down, we'll set quarterly objectives for you, how we're going to change things over the next 90 days. And the people in the mastermind will hold you accountable. So we call this the mastermind experience. And what this has done is we hold it in Washington, D.C., South Florida. We have one coming up in Maui on February 20th. Manhattan on April 24th. And it's just amazing because what you have, it's like having your own board of advisors. I'm a solo practitioner, and it's a lonely world out there because a lot of times I don't have a partner meeting, I don't have a partner, but what I do have is a board of advisors in the mastermind experience who I can turn to for anything that I need, any advice, what to do. Recently, I was hoping to reestablish a referral relationship with one of the biggest plaintiff's lawyer in the state of New York, and one of the members of our mastermind, without me knowing, went behind the scenes, contacted this attorney, and helped reestablish the relationship. And it's just invaluable. Stuff like that, it's incredible. But a group of people who are there for you whenever you need them, that's what a mastermind is. So you go to the event, you're put on the hot seat, you get all of these great ideas and solutions. We have guest speakers who present on different topics in public speaking, marketing, management. But most importantly, what happens after the day of the event is a private Facebook group where there's daily collaboration and sharing. There's nothing like it. I can't believe that I wasn't doing this earlier in my career because it's the best thing. And anyone who's active in the mastermind will tell you the same thing. It is invaluable. So some of the attorneys have big firms, some of them are solo practitioners. It doesn't matter. Everyone is generous. They will share anything that they've got. They'll be real, share the biggest problems facing them that are professional or personal. It's amazing. So over the last 5 years, it's grown. And it's just the relationships that you have, the referrals that you receive from this. We lose money every single time we do it, and it's the best money that I've ever spent. So What we do at the day of the event is we have a lot of fun. We have some in Fort Lauderdale, in West Palm Beach, Washington, D.C., Breakers in West Palm, Chicago, which is our original location. We generally go to the same location every year. Chicago is our base. And the people, one of the law firms in New Jersey scaled from 2 partners, I think maybe 1 employee, and they now have a firm of 22. So it's just amazing the success stories that we hear over and over again. We just had our last mastermind in September. Well, not just, it was a few months ago in Washington, D.C., but it was a great time. And now we've got one coming up in February in Maui, Hawaii, and April 24th in Manhattan. So if you're interested, it's mastermindexperience.com. I hope you take a chance on us because it could be the best thing that you ever do in your career. That's it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.